Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up. If you are enjoying my content, please take a second to give that thumbs up. It makes such a difference on the YouTube platform. Supposedly YouTube looks at that, and if they see a lot of those, they then will put my video in front of other people that just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet. So they enjoy this type of content. It's just such a large platform that sometimes YouTube needs some help to help find us, and that will help. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right, today I'm really excited. I got my IPSY flash sale, which I am like shocked that this came so quickly. So want to make sure that I share with you everything that I get. So we always go through, what the sales are together. That's what I share with you on the channel. So when the products do arrive, if I place an order, I want to make sure that you guys see what I ended up getting. So this started off with a couple of replenishments. For a lot of things in the flash sale are 2 for $5, which is my favorite section, and it's usually the only section that I look at. But there was something else in here that I splurged a little bit because it was something that I wanted, and it was showing up in the pluses when I got the Glam X. And when I get the Glam X, the plus is the one that they don't ship to me. It upgrades to the X. And that month, everything was this brand that I really wanted to try their foundation, and we'll share that at the end with you guys. So really, really excited to share everything here because I have so many good things to tell you. Also inside here, I always take notes of all the products so that we learn a little bit about the products as opposed to me just showing you what the products are, and we'll go through it like that. So we're starting off with, I think I spent $40 on everything that I'm going to be showing you here. So the first item here, and this was the sale that was in May. So the first duo I ended up buying simply because one I wanted a replenishment of. I fell in love with it so much that I wanted to make sure to share it with you guys so that if you see this, that you don't close your eyes to it as well. So the first item that was the replenishment that got me to buy the duo, and the second item is just fantastic too, is from Elizabeth Mott. It is the vitamin C. So this one was grouped up with the Murad, and this is the Murad and Elizabeth Mott, and it's called the Instant Refresh. And for both of these, I paid $5. And they're both sample sizes, but this sample size lasted me more than a week, almost 2 weeks. So this one here is her face scrub, and the scent on this is truly scrumptious. It's like it wakes you up in the morning. I just fell in love with it, and when I was down to the bitter end, I was like so disappointed that I never saw it in larger sizes. So when I saw it available again in the sample size, I had to grab it. So the Elizabeth Mott is a vitamin C face scrub. It gently buffs away your dead skin cells. It builds up excess oil to smooth your skin and minimize the appearance of dark spots and large pores. I really saw a difference even after the first time that I used this. It, just like I said, it was so refreshing. The particles inside were so minuscule. You didn't even really feel them, but it gave my skin this, I just loved it. Couldn't wait to repurchase it. It was grouped with Murad, which is an absolute bonus because Murad for me has always been a win. But the Murad samples are always so tiny. This is the box that it came in, and this is the size of the sample here. And this is the Renewing Eye Cream that helps brighten, minimize fine lines, and reduce puffiness in one step. It's made with a mix of peptides and retinol. It is a lightweight cream that boosts your collagen production, making the delicate skin around your eyes feel more supple and soft. Just know that with any eye cream, you take a little bit out, a pea-size amount, and you dab it between your ring fingers, which are supposed to be your weakest finger, and then I put it on around the orbital bone and all the way around. And then whatever's left over, I put in those 11 lines that are always trying to come out. So this is, even though it's small, because it's an eye cream, I'm not angry at it because it is also Murad, but I bought it solely for the Elizabeth Mott Vitamin C because I wanted to make sure to share this product with you guys. The next item, I was surprised how large the component was. But I bought it for the one that I knew was going to be a little bit smaller. This is the GlamGlow and Kokie Cosmetic. This is what they call the Prep and Lock. This was also just $5. And this is what it is. They're saying prime your eye looks with this Illuminating Eye Cream that sets it all in place with this setting spray. This item here, I could not wait to replenish. This one I use, and it lasts also for a very long time, so do not think that I should have bought the one that I'm using out here. See how it's fulled right to the rim? You literally, again, need a pea-sized amount, dab it between the two fingers. This I can use before makeup. I can use it at nighttime. I get none of that tearing or anything. There is something really fantastic about this eye cream that I could not wait when I saw it to be able to replenish it. I'm only halfway through the one that I'm using currently, and I just wanted to make sure to have a replenish of this. So this one says it is called the GlamGlow BrightEyes, and they're saying it is an illuminating anti-fatigue eye cream. It's the fastest way to wake up your complexion. It's a combo of ultra-fine illuminating pigments and energizing caffeine, minimizing shadows on contact, while the hyaluronic acid draws moisture to your eye area for a dewy plumping effect. I'm enjoying this. I want to make sure that you guys know about it. And if you see this for a 2 for $5, where this is $2.50 for an eye cream from GlamGlow, it is a definite win. And do not think or be disappointed with the size of this, because I'm telling you, it lasts a long time. This is the one I was really surprised about. And this one has a major safety seal on it. I'm sorry that I didn't remove this prior to, but I have other products from Kokie, and I've enjoyed their mist as well as their product, but it was a lot smaller than this. And this one is from Kokie Cosmetics, and this is Refresh Hydrating Setting Spray that helps lock in any look and prolong hydration. It'll keep your makeup fresh with only 2 to 3 sprays. And like I said, I had a mini size of this. I ended up going to their website and I ended up buying, I think, a mystery bag from them, and I got to try so many of their products. And this is a brand that really impressed me, and it's one that I'm hoping that we will see more on this channel. I just have to take the time to go to certain websites to buy directly, but this one because I cannot find this in the stores that I shop at. So really excited to have the opportunity that it was an IPSY, that I was able to get something from their brand, but I didn't expect it to be this large, because like I said, the one that I had in the mystery bag was a lot smaller. But this isn't why I bought it. This ended up being the bonus, which is a real bonus. I bought it for the GlamGlow, and again, this was the 2 for $5. The next item is one that I want to share with you also. This is a replenishment because I've had it in the large size, and when I didn't get it and haven't seen it available in any deals or anything, because I get so many mascaras, I didn't want to go out and buy another one. But when they show up in the 2 for $5s or in the $3 section, I definitely replenish, because if it's a mascara that I really enjoy, I want to make sure to tell you guys about it as well. So again, this is the 2 for $5, and I purchased it for this product, but it also came with a benefit, with the Balm Cosmetics, which to me are 2 fantastic brands. So they're saying this is an eyeshadow, and this is what they're calling a dramatic mascara. And they're saying if you team these both up to bring you an everyday look with a little extra. So let's start with my favorite, which is the Benefits. It's called Bang Bang, and it is the volumizing mascara in black. It's made with a super light material that's used in space technology that they're calling aerial particles. They're saying it won't weigh down your lashes, and it's proven to stay put for up to 36 hours. Did I test it for 36 hours? No, but that's what the picture is on the side of the packaging. I was so impressed with this product, and because I enjoy mascaras so much and I get to try so many of them, I could not believe that this was one that I kept gravitating towards. It's built like a Christmas tree, where it's wider on the bottom and you know, goes to a narrow on the top. And normally I'm not a lover of spikes, but there's something about this one that gave me such volume, and the way that the spikiness is in here, it goes from wide to very narrow. I'm hoping the camera can pick it up. There's something about it, and besides that, the formula is just amazing. And as I tell you all the time with the minis, the size of the brush and the formula that's inside is the same as the 20 and 25 versions of the same mascara. So if you want to test a mascara to see if it's one that you love, if you can find them for $2.50 or $3 section, this is where you grab these high-end mascaras, because I was blown away with this and I could not wait to replenish my mascara collection with this one because I really missed it when it was finished. So really happy about that. The other item that was in here, and so like I said, this ends up being a bonus, but they're both bonuses because it was like literally $5. So this one here is the balm, and this is from their Autobalm. It's the Day to Night, and this one is in Lombard St. It's a shimmery matte espresso that's beautiful for any occasion. This is a super versatile shadow that definitely delivers. You could wear it wet or dry for a more color payoff. This is a one shadow that will give you the full day's work of look. Because I already own the full Day to Night eyeshadow palette, I'm not going to swatch this. I'm just going to show it to you up close because this will be put into a future giveaway. But is that not beautiful? So really, like I said, it's not like you're getting a dud and a fantastic item. You're getting two fantastic items, and that's why I love the flash sales. Now, finally, why I am so excited and I cannot wait to try this. I was able to get my hands on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation, which is something normally I would stay away from, but I saw a couple of other girls wear it. Look how it says foundation here. I'm going to show you the bottle. You won't believe it. And they paired it up with something from Hey Honey, which to me is a fantastic, fantastic brand on its own. So we have, this is full size. The color that I chose for myself, I went to the Anastasia website to try to match myself up, and I chose 320 neutral. And this one is, it says this is, let me see what I wrote here. They're saying, it says 320 neutral, and it gives you a full coverage effect. It hides redness, discoloration, and breakouts with a lightweight second skin feel that you will love. No cakiness, no blotchiness, or mask-like feeling. It's healthy looking skin. And this is what the bottle looks like here. So cannot wait to try this. And when I do my makeup of the day videos, I will be trying this and we'll be swatching and I will share it all with you. I cannot wait to try this. But like I said, they showed up in the pluses where you got to choose this as a choice item when I was with the GlamX, was the first GlamX, which I'm not complaining, it is fantastic, but I really felt I missed out on this and it wasn't available in the add-on. So when I saw it in the flash sale, I had to grab it. So this came with this Hey Honey concealer, and I was able to get both of these for $24. And they're saying this foundation, when I went to the website, is normally like $40. So to get two of these for $24 was an absolute steal. So the value on this is $75 for both of these. So the Hey Honey, and what they call this, they're saying for those days you want just a little more, you could reach for these complexion picks. The Anastasia of Beverly Hills we went through, this is the Hey Honey. It's called Trick and Treat. It is an active Propolis cream concealer in light to medium, which I thought would be a perfect match. And it's saying the Trick and Treat Active Cream Concealer doesn't just flawlessly cover imperfections, it helps correct them with the active ingredients too. It is a triple technology which diffuses the look of dark circles, redness, breakouts, and sunspots without ever looking cakey. And I could not wait to get something from Hey Honey, but like I said, they could have put anything with this because I really wanted the foundation. I'm just going to take a quick swatch of this to make sure about the color to show you guys, because I wanted to make sure, and I'll do a swatch of the foundation as well. So this one, like I said, is in light medium, and I'll see if there's any other information that's on here, like a number or anything like that. Right now I'm just seeing light to medium. I will leave it in the description box down below, but that's the color right here. I'll just spread her out a little bit so you can see. So it's a really, really nice color. So that's that item there. And this foundation comes with a pump. I had no idea. Like I said, this has been on my wants list for such a long time that I was in shock that it was finally available. And I think the color is going to be perfect. And that's also a light medium. Everything looks a little bit dark when you do swatches of foundation because this is without you blending it out. And my foundation colors that I choose for my face, if they end up being too dark for me, I shared with you so many times that the Fit Me Maybelline powders that are loose, I have them in all different colors. So if I want to tone down a foundation, if it ends up being too dark on my complexion when I put it on my face, that's what I end up doing. I use a lighter powder, which helps it change. You can also mix, the concealer within the actual foundation or any, you know, a darker foundation with a lighter foundation to get a better match. But that's how I play. I use the foundation on its own so I can see the merit of how the foundation works with my skin tone. And then I'll use the Fit Me square loose powders in different shades to get a best match for me. And that's my trick with how I deal with foundations, because when we're buying foundations through websites or, you know, pictures that are on the screen or descriptions, it's very, very hard to choose the right color. But once you do, it's an easy replenish. So that's everything that I got from the flash sale, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So please, if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products, please leave it in the comments down below, because that's what we do here at True Wants. We share with each other, because if they're ones that I've used, I love to share that with you, but I love when you guys share back with me if you've had the opportunity to share these products, and also share your skin type. You know, I'm a combo girl, but it's changed so much now that I'm living you know, in the south, in Florida, versus when I was up north. So my skin has changed so much. So areas where I was never dry, I'm dry down here. And so I've had to change a lot of what I use. But even if you're a normal skin type, share that as well, so we can all learn from each other. All right. Once again, as always, you know how much I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day, that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, it's always important during this time, even though we have more freedoms, that we all continue to stay safe so that we can all continue to be well. And I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.